Hi, it's Rich Schulte with Salesbroom. Here's an example of complex instructions a customer provided us. And in this particular project, we were cleaning lead records in Salesforce in advance of a new Pardot deployment, and secondarily to support an sales development rep team that was being expanded, in fact, I believe by 100%. So two real objectives: to support the Pardot campaigns that were going to be coming, and SDRs that were going to be dialing into these leads. So the situation was a pretty good number of lead records had just simply become outdated, and also segmented in such a way they were no longer usefully segmented for the new tools and the new sales and marketing strategy. So the Salesbroom came in to not only update the lead records, but also resegment them in such a way that they would be perfectly aligned for the new Pardot campaigns as well as the new sales workflow for the SDRs. So here are the instructions that we have from the customer. And it basically is a series of if-then statements, if you want to think of it that way. So if this is for leads prior to the older leads, so to speak, prior to 2016, so 2015 and older. If the lead has these fields populated, so it's prior to 2015 or 2015 and prior, lead has a first name and a last name and an email. If all those conditions are met, then do the following things: change the lead owner, change the lead source, and etc. And if we scroll down a little bit in this document, and you can see this is a Word document in this example, but certainly customers provide us with Google Docs all the time, Excel sheets, and whatever format's going to be most useful for the customer. But if we go down here to newer leads created in 2016, we have a similar set of instructions, albeit a little more complicated. So if the lead meets these criteria, then do the following things. And also, if it could be a special case, and if it's a special case, then reference yet another document that would explain what to do in that special case. So the sky's the limit here, essentially. As long as the instructions are linear and logical, and we can follow them, then the complexity is not really a factor. We think of it that way, but one of the big advantages is that we can move from different records and different data sources to perform the cleaning.